In this video, I will show to you how to install the FMC. So this is how I will go to the other screen. Where's our? So this is our topology. So we will just right click the FMC to start, and then we need to double click so that we can see while it's booting. So I will just drag it here, and then I will just make like this. So we will wait until the FMC's completed the booting sequence. FMC already started. So we need to log in. The default username is admin, and the password is admin123 admin123 capital A. And then you need to execute this command, sudo configure das network. It will ask the password again, so admin123, and then do you wish to configure the IPv4 version 4? Yes, and then we will give an IP was 10.70.24.6, and then just press enter for the net mask. And then for the gateway, we will use this layer 3 switch, which is 10.70.24.2. Okay, so where did I get the 10.70.24.2? If you will double click this, if you will see the aggregation en show running, the interface VLAN for 24 is 10.70.24.2. okay, so now after that, press enter key. The settings are correct, press Y. And then for the IPv6, I will not configure. And then that's it. So it will continue the process. Okay, now we will test to ping the FMC. Let's go to the PC. And then I'll just try to ping 10.70.24.6, which is this one, the lower one, this one. Then press, I will maximize, I will just press enter. As you can see, it is pinging. So we'll ping also the FTD so that we know that we have connectivity. 10.70.24.7, which is this one. Then press enter. As you can see, the FTD is pinging, the FMC is pinging. The next step is we will add, but we need to access the GUI from the PC. So we need access the FMC. So 10.70.24.6. okay. While waiting the GUI to show, proceed. Okay, you need to log in as admin, and then the password is admin123. Log in. While waiting to log in, we need to go to the FTD. Okay, we'll go to FTD, and we need to execute this command that we are needed to when we add on the FMC the FTD. So you need to execute this command on the FTD on this side. Okay, configure manager add 10.70.24.6. we are telling the FTD that the configuration manager is the 10.70.24.6, which is this is the FMC. So and then we need to create a password on a peer-to-peer, to a shared secret, something like that. So I will put Cisco 123, okay, and then press enter. Okay, and then we will go back to the FMC. So now, as you can see, I will maximize now. So we need a new password. Upon login, it will show this screen. So we need a new password. I will put admin. I will use the same admin123. The IP address is 1070. So password, and then the IP address is correct. The gateway is correct. Power. I'll put domain mainnetsecurity.com. DNS will be 192.168.1 and then 8.8.8. And then here down, I will just leave it like that. And then I have red and then apply. And then I will click accept. The next step, we will activate the smart license. Then the next is we need to click the evaluation mode. Press yes. Okay, now as you can see, the evaluation mode is activated. The next step is we will add the FTD. So go to the device and then click add and then device. And then you have to put the IP address of the FTD, which is this one. Okay, 24.7. Then I will just put the name as 10.70.24.7, or you can put a name for this. It should be IP address, and then for here I will use FTD TD1. Okay, the we need the registration key, the one we execute on the FTD, as you remember here, this one, the Cisco 123. You need to enter it to the FMC. Okay, so this is a registration key, Cisco 123. Okay, now we need to, for the access control, so we will create one. This is a default policy, so I will just put mainnet security. It's just a name. You can put whatever you want. Okay, and then block all traffic. By default, the firewall will block all the traffic, okay, without any policy. Okay, save, and then select the malware, the threat, and the URL filtering, and then I will remove this transfer packet and then click register. Now the FTD is added on the FMC. As you can see, for example, I will click the edit. I can edit the interfaces, I can add the IP address and everything, but we will do it on the next video. And also I will explain to you, this is the command we use to add the shared secret, okay, for the FTD, so that we can add on FMC. And this is the command we use, sudo configure network, in order to add an IP to the FMC. On the next video, I will show to you the configuration of interfaces, policies, so that we can check the connectivity from the inside going to the internet. I think this is it. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe.